Something inside you just made a decision. You didn't think it, you didn't choose it, but the signal already left, racing toward your brain. And in the next few hours, it will shape what you crave, what you fear, and how you act. All because of one forgotten organ waking up. Right now, deep inside your body, an organ you almost never think about is sending more messages to your brain than your eyes and your muscles combined. It whispers what you should eat. It decides how stressed you feel. It can even steer your future by changing the way you make choices. The strangest part, you're barely aware it exists. This organ is older than your brain. Millions of neurons, a network so complex scientists call it your second brain. And while you go through your day, it's running simulations inside you, predicting danger, preparing reactions before you even feel them. Every second, it fires messages upward. Spikes of serotonin, surges of dopamine, chemical nudges that alter your mood, your confidence, your focus. Think you made that choice on your own? Maybe, but your forgotten organ had the idea first. Inside this organ live trillions of microscopic residents. They outnumber your human cells. They decide what you crave. They alter the way you handle stress. Some can even predict your habits and adjust your hormones to keep you repeating them. This isn't just digestion, it's influence. When this system goes wrong, things get disturbing. Your mood collapses, your sleep breaks, your thoughts get foggy. You start craving the very things that damage you. And your future bends, because the organ that once protected you can also sabotage you. Silently, patiently, from the inside. Here's the part no one tells you. Right now, this organ is deciding your next craving, your next fear response, your next failure, or your next breakthrough. It might even be predicting how long you'll live. So imagine what happens when another forgotten system wakes up, one that hides even deeper than this one. If you want to see what your body is planning next, stay here, because the next episode exposes something even stranger. Subscribe only if you're ready to see what's hiding inside you.